In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in DocuSign. Whether you're new to using DocuSign or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. Knowing how to update your signature in DocuSign is essential for maintaining professionalism and ensuring your digital documents accurately reflect your identity. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your DocuSign homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to navigate to the Agreement Activity section. This area provides an overview of your documents and activities related to them. Here, you'll find a range of available actions, but today we'll focus on one, the Sign option. Click on Sign, and this will take you into the interface where you can manage your signatures. Once you're in the signing area, look for your current signature. It might seem like a straightforward task, but it's crucial to select the correct document or agreement where your current signature is held. When you've located it, click on your signature. This simple action will prompt a few options to appear, including Change. Select Change to proceed to the window where you can modify your existing signature. Now that you're ready to update your signature, you will see an option that says Add. Click on Add, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you have 3 exciting choices for customizing your signature. The first option is to choose an electronic style from a variety of scripted fonts provided by DocuSign. This is perfect if you want a quick and easy update that still maintains a personal touch. Your second option is to draw your signature. This might be a more familiar choice for those who prefer the authenticity of a handwritten signature. It allows you to use a touchpad or mouse to create a signature that closely matches your real signature. Take your time here to ensure it's accurate and suits your style. The third and final option is to upload an image of your signature. This method is ideal if you have a pre-existing digital copy of your handwritten signature that you want to use consistently across all your documents. Be sure the image is clear and well-cropped for the best results. Once you've chosen your preferred method, whether you've selected an electronic style, drawn it, or uploaded an image, review your new signature to make sure everything looks just right. When you're satisfied with how it appears, go ahead and click Adopt and Sign. By doing so, you're confirming that this is the signature you'll be using moving forward and it will be applied to your selected document. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your signature in DocuSign. Now, whenever you need to sign a document, this new signature will automatically appear. Updating your signature ensures your documents reflect the most current and accurate representation of you, giving you greater control and personalization over your digital interactions.